fam, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Gracefully EUT. You want to know how I make this royal icing? Stay tuned. So here I have my powdered sugar, egg white, and half juice of lemon. So I just have this red food color because of the color I want the icing, royal icing to be. So I'll go in with my egg white now. I had a little yolk mixed up with it, but it's okay. But if you want to do this, I advise you use the egg white. You can choose to go to add your sugar powder first into your mixing bowl, and then you can gradually add your egg yolk, your egg white, and your lemon juice. So that is the cake. This is the cake I'm gonna be using the icy sugar for. So now I'm going in with my lemon juice. If you're a beginner, I will advise you go in first. I repeat again, you go in first with your powdered sugar first, and then you start adding these other ingredients bit by bit. You can choose to mix them all together, but this is the way I prefer it done. So I'll continue adding my powdered sugar bit by bit and continue mixing. With 3 tablespoons of lemon juice and medium size of egg white, I used 1000 grams of powdered sugar to get the thickness of what I needed. So as you're mixing, you have to keep scooping the corners to make sure everything gets mixed well properly. I want to say thank you to all my returning subscribers. Thank you for always coming back to watch what I have in for you on this channel. God bless you for your time. God bless you for everything, every way you're supporting this channel. And if you're coming across my video for your first time and you haven't subscribed to Gracefully EUT's channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. Please hit on the subscribe button. It will appear a 3-bell icon. Click on the top one so that you get notified each time I upload a new video. And at the end of this video, let me know what you think on the comment section. Give the video a thumbs up and share to your loved ones. Share to your friends, your family. This is a very simple method of how to make your royal icing, or some people call it icing sugar. With the thickness that I have now, it is suitable for icing your cookies or any other thing you think of icing. Especially for cookies, it is okay, but for cake, it is too light for cake. So you want to go ahead and add more until it's a big thick. So while you prepare egg and your cake and everything, please make sure to keep this mixture close so that it doesn't get freeze or dry because of the egg in it. And the reason why we added lemon juice is to kill every bacteria that is not healthy for the body. That is the purpose of the lemon juice. So I'll just go ahead and seal that off to avoid it getting dried or freezing because of the egg white in it while I prepare my cake. So in this very video, I'm not gonna be icing this cake in this video. If you want to see me on how I ice my cake or how I decorate my cake with icing sugar or royal icing, let me know in the comment section so that I can bring that up for you. So I'm just gonna transfer my cake into the board, into the cake board. So as you can see, the cake is still hot, so I have to leave it to get cold before applying my royal ice. If you haven't watched the video of how I make multicolor cake, the description will be on the box below. The link will be in the description box. And also, if you haven't watched how I make marble cake, the link will also be on the description box. So until next video, bye and stay tuned. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Bye.